Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be showing step by step to claim your MSI monitor's warranty, serial number, proof of purchase, as well as your RMA. Step 1. Check your warranty status. Find your monitor serial number on the back of the monitor. Locate your proof of purchase, receipt or invoice. Verify that the monitor is still within the warranty period. Step 2. Contact MSI support. Visit the MSI support website, sign in or create an MSI account. Submit a warranty or repair request. Provide the monitor's model, serial number, and a description of the issue. Step 3. Send the monitor for service. Follow the instructions provided by MFI monitor. Pack the monitor securely to prevent shipping damage. Include any required documents such as RMA number and proof of purchase. Ship the monitor to the service center if requested. If your claim is approved, MSI will repair or replace the monitor based on the warranty terms. You can track the repair status through your MSI support account. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.